Hello, how are you?
Look at this dude. Weak.
Help!
Weak.
Hey, have you seen they changed the computers?
Yeah, they're like a whole thing now.
They're like FNAF monitors now.
Oh my, oh my.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Oh shit!
Rather
Shut up!
Guys, I found Jesus. Hey guys, I found Jesus. I found Jesus, guys. Help! I found Jesus, guys.
It's a bad idea. Oh shit! Run! Run!
What? Oh my god.
No! You got Austin! You got Austin!
I got
You have to jump! Jump! Jump!
Austin, flop! Austin, flop! Austin, flop!
Jump!
Yes!
Help!
Fucking conveyor
Or two
belt,
conveyor
bro.
belts.
Weak.
Help! Go, 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 go! Oh no! No! No!
These set. I just see the.
Help!
He's going there.
Okay, I don't think I can. I don't think it's worth it.
Oh, I'm bugging.
We've been on the
They did. No, they did. There. I'm gonna go. Oh, hey. Double jump thing useful for once. Yo, guys, I found a spot where double jump is useful for the beast.
Oh,
Bruh. Bruh.